Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. In our life, we have to do a lot of things in routine for this world. If we do all work for the sake of Allah and according to Sunnah, then our all time and work which we do for this world should count in ibadah, and it should increase our reward. A lot of time we leave our house for different works in a day. So let's learn dua when leaving the house. Bismillahi tawakkaltu ala Allahi la hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. Its translation is, I depart with Allah's name, relying on Him. It is Allah who saves us from sins with His guidance. It is stated in the hadith, if a person recites the above dua and departs, then there is an unseen proclamation that his need will fulfilled and that he will be protected from any harm or injury. And on hearing this dua, the devil goes away from the place and refrain troubling the person reciting. And after this, in your way, also look towards the sky and recite, Allahumma inni a'udhu bika an azilla, aw uzalla, aw azlima, aw uzlama, aw ajhala, aw yujhala alayya. O Allah, I seek refuge in you from misleading or being misled, or oppressing or being oppressed, and from being ignorant or ignorance done on me. After that, if you are going to bazaar for some shopping, then there is also a masnoon dua. Dua is La ilaha illallahu wahdahu la sharika lahu lahul mulku wa lahul hamdu yuhyi wa yumitu wa huwa hayyul la yamutu biyadihil khair wa huwa ala kulli shay'in qadir. Its translation is, there is none worthy of worship besides Allah. He is all by himself, has no partner. He is the kingdom, to him is all praise. He gives and takes life. He is all by himself. He will not die. In his hands is all goods, and he has control power over all things. It is stated in the hadith that if a person reads the above dua in the bazaar, then Allah writes 10 lakh rewards for him and forgives 10 lakh sins and raises his status by the 10 lakh time, and for him a house is ready in Jannah. So this is the work for do shopping for this world. But if do it according to Sunnah, then it will increase our reward. Similarly, shopping time we have to recite different duas, but if we cannot learn that duas, so we have to recite A'udhu Billah and Bismillah for shopping time. And after shopping, when we come back to the house and enter our home, then we have to read Allahumma inni as'aluka khairal mawlaji wa khairal makhraji. Bismillahi walajna wa ala Allahi rabbina tawakkalna. O Allah, I seek a good entry and a good exit. We take Allah's name to enter and to exit and rely on Him who is our Rabb. After this dua, greet the members of household. And in some hadith, it is also stated that Suratul Ikhlas will give barakah in your home. And Hazrat Jabir Razillah Ta'ala Anhu narrates that Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam stated that when a man enters his home and makes zikr, remembers Allah, and also at meal times makes zikr, then devil says to his colleagues that the night cannot be spent there, nor can they get in the people food, and if no zikr was made on entering the houses, Then devil says to his colleagues that they have an opportunity to spend the night there. Similarly, if no zikr was made at mealtime, then devil tells his colleagues that staying there they will also get food. So try your best to obey the sunnah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.